The year of the machine is 1957. It's got a flathead Chrysler in it. Walk around here a bit. It's got a new rad hoses. The battery is just temporary because it's my battery, and Eric will be putting his own battery in. New cable ends, a new rad. Lights all work. Got a new electric fuel pump and fiberglass tank, the fuel tank. And this is the choke back here. Hold it now for a minute. I'll get it started.
Okay.
So I have to hook up the battery. Just stop for a minute until the fuel pump kicks in the fuel.
Okay.
Now it's all new tires, seals, bearings, and races, sprockets, new belts with about 80% cleats left on the 15% war, 15 to 20% war on the cleats. Okay.
Okay.
A new set of windows put in on each side. Okay. We'll just go to the other side. It has door stops on both sides, the cables.
Okay.
And this is heater or wiper, I should say, brand new windshield wiper, motor, arm, and everything. And this is heater, and this is interior light. Okay.
Okay.
Custom seats in the front. Adjustable. New heater motor. That's this black thing here. Okay.
Okay.
The skis have been rebuilt.
Rebuilt or replaced?
Rebuilt.
Okay.
Now, this is access to the front. Okay.
Okay.
New rubbers on stop rubbers here. Okay. That's it.
Okay. And who do they contact if they want to purchase this?
You'll contact Johannesson.
Okay.
I'll give you my number and everything.
Okay.
It's got got the spline if they want to put a pulley on the back of the motor for driving auger.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. So this is ready to go right now as is.
Ready
Where
to
is?
go.
Okay.